Layn Turo University. My name is Conrad Layn. I'm gonna give you a Turo tip and trick if you got a bad review, especially if you didn't do anything wrong. Now, if you were bad and you give a bad experience, then you probably deserve it. But if you're a Turo host where maybe someone just retaliated against you, maybe they smoked in your car and they left you a bad review because they saw that you charged them a fee, or maybe they're mad at you for an unfair reason, then at that point, the tip is this: you typically get 10 days to set up your review. Do not write your review until the last day. The reason is this: as soon as you post your review, if they posted their review already, it's going to show. It will be masked and invisible as long as you don't complete your review for that 10-day basic grace period. You want to utilize that to get as many good reviews on top of that. So worst case, if say Turo doesn't remove it for whatever reason, or they take a long time to remove that bad, unfair review, at least it's buried by many other good reviews where it outweighs it. The more good reviews you have, the more outweighs the bad reviews. That's just how it is. But if you do that right away, that could first deter people that would have booked your car because there's unfair reviews there. Then next, you must call Turo and say, hey, this is an unscrupulous, this is an unfair review, and show them proof. Look, I did my part. This is retaliatory. They typically will remove it, which is great because that's unfair. Now, like again, if you give a bad experience and they gave you a bad review, that's your fault. Like say you gave them a car and it had no gas, that's your fault. If it's dirty or it smelled, that's your fault. But if they damaged your car or did something to it, or they did something unfair and they gave you a bad, unfair review, you deserve to get that removed. That's my tip and trick for today. So we're Turos, we're human, and it happens to the best of us. But sometimes people are unfair, and that's how you take care of unfair reviews. Contact Turo, request for them to remove it, but do not post your review until that last 10th day. So that way, at least it doesn't post and gives you 10 days or 9 other days to basically build good views within that time period. Like, subscribe, share, Carly out.